What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. We're going to be looking at a trade idea based on technical analysis for all you stocks and options traders. I've been trading for over 7 years, about 5.5 full time. I mainly am going to trade the same 5 to 6 names each and every day. I'm a high beta trader, meaning that I do trade stocks located within the NASDAQ 100 and the triple Qs. I also trade about 2 to 3 different strategies based on the 5 minute to 1 hour time frame. I do a lot of due diligence and research on the daily time frame as well. So this trade idea setup that I have here on Amazon, we could be looking at a little bit of a dead cat bounce again. So my bias is going to be a little bit more to the long side, just due to the fact that the close that we had on Friday reclaim the 20-day moving average on a 1 hour time frame. It was a strong green engulfing candle that we did have back over the 20-day moving average. What I am looking for now is to kind of take out Thursday's highs, which is already set up here on this trend line that I have set up here at around $84.55. So how I'm going to navigate this trade is exactly like this. My bias is long, does not mean that I will not switch to a short bias if we lose the 20-day moving average. I'll just go over that trade quickly. Let's say, for example, we have a little bit of a higher open. We get stuffed at the previous day on Thursday's kind of supply zone there, and we lose this 20-day moving average. If this closes below the 20, I'm going to wait for the following hour candle to kind of take that out, and I'm going to take profits into Friday's lows. Okay, so I'm going to put another trend line here. I want to take my profits before 82.48. I want to get in below 83.50. Again, I'm going to wait for the candle to close below that, and then I'm going to need to have the next hour candle confirm that. I hope that makes sense. So, for example, I'm going to give you an idea or an example of what that looks like. This candle here at 1 o'clock on Thursday closed over the 20 SMA. Now this is pre-market, this is 1 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, but this candle, I'm going to just make an example, right? Because this is what I'm looking for if we do lose this to the downside. This candle closed over the 20 SMA. This next hour candle is my entry. This next hour candle confirmed the highs. I want to get in here. As long as we do not close below the 20 SMA on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to ride this trade to the long side. If that happens here where we close under the 20 SMA, I'm going to wait for the next candle to confirm those lows, and I'm going to get short, and I want to take profits before we touch 82.48. That's how I navigate that scalp. Now to the long side, what I'm looking for here is I want this candle, this green, to continue to push higher. I want to close over 84.55 on the 1 hour time frame. As soon as we close over 84.55, I want that hour candle to close, and I want the next hour candle to confirm the highs. That's my entry candle, and I'm going to either use the previous hour candle as my stop, or kind of see what this 20 SMA does as it starts to trickle. But definitely my max pain would be a close back under the 20 SMA, and if I want to tighten up that risk, it's going to be the previous hour candle's low. Again, my next kind of price target for a profit taking is 87.23. That's about $3 higher. I don't want to wait for it to get up there or assume that it's getting up there. If I get this confirmation, I want to get in. I want to make 20, 25, 30%, and I want to start scaling out and locking in those realized gains. If I choose to hold a runner, I will hold a couple of contracts as a runner. I will move my stop to either break even, or I will let those contracts run until we get full profit potential at 87.23. I hope that understands. We're going to have a little bit of a mini supply here on this pre-market kind of gap. So I will actually kind of put a trend line here. What I'm looking for again, okay, I want to make this as simple and as clear as possible. My bias for Amazon going into this week is long. I'm looking for a 1 hour candle close over 84.55. I'm going to wait for that candle to close over 84.55. That next hour candle, I want to see a continuation. If I get that continuation, I'm going to get long. The first area that I'm going to look to try to take profits into is 86.31. I'm going to scale off contracts there. If we close over 86.31, I want to take profits into 87.23. I'm never waiting 100% for them to touch those levels. I just want to make 15, 20, 25, 30%. And I want to be able to find those setups on a day in and day out basis, on a weekly basis, and continue to do that. Again, I gave you guys my trade setup to the short side. If it happens, close under the 20 SMA. I want to take profits into the 82.48. Anything below 82.48 down to 81.71, I want to take those quick profits on that scalp into the 81.71. Again, when I say into 81.71, it does not mean that, hey, D said that he's going to take the short position at 82.48 and he's waiting for 81.71. No, I'm understanding the level that needs to break. I'm understanding where I need my confirmation, and I'm understanding where potentially I want to take those profits. So if I take the short below 82.48, and the price is 82 and I'm up 10-15%, I might take 2 contracts. If we go down another 10-15 cents, I might take another 2 contracts. If we go down another 10 cents, I might take a couple more contracts. But I'm going to for sure take all my profits before 81.71. If we lose this level, I will start a new trade, meaning close under 81.71 and then look for the next candle preceding to confirm that, and I will take a second trade. That's what having an edge is. The average trader, 80 to 90% of people will say, we broke 84.55, they get long, this runs up 75, 85 cents, backtracks, falls below their entry price, and continues to come down here. And now they're sitting in drawdown, they're sitting in the red, they're sitting in the red, they're sitting in the red, and they're wondering, what do I do? And they start giving away money. That's because you don't trust your strategy and you don't have confidence and have an edge. Guys, it's all about having an edge. Stop being a stupid trader. It's not about this next trade. It's about the next 1,000. Understand that a 50%, even 40% win rate trader can be profitable. That means that out of 10 trades, if you win 4 to 6 of those trades only, and maybe you lose 4 trades or you lose 5 trades, or hell, maybe you even lose 6 of those 10 trades, you can still be profitable and grow your account. As long as you understand your strategy, your setups, your risk management, your psychology, your emotions, and your edge. I hope that makes sense. If you guys would like to trade with me and you would like access to all of my strategies, visit evolutiontraders.com. Become a lifetime member. It's at the top bar there. If you guys want to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below. My name is D. Anthony. Feel free to reach out to me via DMs. I get back to people a lot quicker there than I do on YouTube, just because that's where I spend more of my time. Okay, so D. Anthony, my name will be in green. So again, don't reach out to other people that have a name similar to mine in there. And I will work with you the best as possible. I'm getting heavily focused into the mindset and the psychology of trading, so I'm going to be helping people with that. I believe that that's far more important in understanding the X's and O's of supply and demand and strategy setups and all of these trend lines and stuff that we put on our charts. I believe that understanding how to execute on what is going on is far more important than understanding we are over the VWAP or below the VWAP. I hope that makes sense, and I'll catch you guys all in 2023. I look forward to working with all of you guys, and I'll see you guys all next time.